Ensuring the spout pouch seal integrity testing is crucial for maintaining product quality and safety. Spout pouch products are commonly used for packaging liquids and semi-liquids, and poor seals can lead to leaks and contamination. Strict spout pouch seal integrity testing is essential and important. Various methods such as mechanical testing, non-mechanical testing, aseptic testing, and even simple drop tests are employed to assess the strength and integrity of the seals. These tests help identify any potential weaknesses or defects in the seals, allowing for necessary adjustments to be made before the pouches are filled with products, during the bag-making stage. In conclusion, spout pouch seal integrity testing is a critical aspect of spout pouch packaging production. It serves as a proactive measure to prevent potential issues and maintain the quality and safety of packaged products. Spout pouch manufacturers should prioritize seal integrity testing to maintain customer trust and satisfaction, ultimately enhancing consumer confidence and satisfaction.